Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistic Aura. Another video where we are going to draw Gojo Satoru. So here I have taken a paper and a simple pencil that you regularly use for writing in your schools. Just start with simple lines, and the line is gonna to be the eye part. Here make a simple line with a little bit curves as shown in the video. Here you can see this is a normal pencil that you use in school, and it is gonna to make a masterpiece. So do the same as shown in the video, step by step. If you're drawing just like this, that's gonna be just amazing. So here you can see now I'm making here face, but I'll make here a half face just because I want to get an idea where to draw his nose and mouth. That's why I draw half face. I'll draw it to full after a little bit time. So here I'm drawing nose. Drawing a half face, you'll get an idea where the nose and mouth and other body parts will be located, and this exact idea you'll get. Therefore I'm drawing a half face. As you can see, I have drawn nose and mouth, right? Just a little bit inch of gap between nose and mouth, so it will be looking good. So now I'm drawing here a little bit small lines for mouth drawing. And here I'm joining two lines and mouth is ready, and just we have to add a little bit more details. And here upper side we'll draw hair. As we all have already discussed that there is no gravity in anime characters' hair, so you can draw in different directions as shown in the video. Just have patience and just draw. You can see the slowly you draw, the grayer it looks. And now here our hair are drawn, and now here I am drawing mouth and adding some details in it. Here I am drawing teeth. The side two teeth are like vampire, and the middle teeth is just like a human, and we have to draw just like this. And there is a single line teeth in the down side, and at the part that down teeth there is a tongue as I'm drawing in the video. And now here I'm completing the face of Gojo. You can see there is a perfect jawline, and here I'm drawing the neck outline. The neck part and the costume is completed. So now here I'm drawing ear. The both ear are gonna be same but a little bit different, just to a little bit just like shown in the video. You have to draw the same. Just make this ear a little bit edgy. Now you can see here I have drawn both the ears, and now it's time for shading. And you can see in the video as I'm drawing with the simple pencil, and here I'm also shading now with that same pencil. So we have to shade here lighter because this pencil is not gonna be so many dark. So I'll use I can use a different pencil. As you can see, this is not just my darker, so I'm using here 2B pencil, so make it a little bit darker. And now it's time to highlight and more darker to the outlines. So I'm here using a sketch pen that is easy available at any stationery you can find. It will just cost you around 10 rupees. So here I am just using it at the outline that we have already drawn. As you can see, I'm just using it on the outlines, and I'm not here making anything else extra. Just like this, you have to draw in your drawing of Gojo Satoru for make it more pretty. Here we have already have shading in the bandana that is there on the eyes. So here I'm not going to make it more darker with the sketch pen because we already have used there the pencil, and just we have used their simple pencil and 2B pencil to make it a little bit more darker. So I'm not going to use here sketch pen to make it more and more darker. I'm just using sketch pen on the outlines. You also have to do the same for this same result. Here I'm drawing neck and the little bit beauty bone that is shown here, and the costume at the end. I'm drawing here ears and its outline, making it highlighted with the sketch pen. So you can see there is just about to be complete. It's just a last one hairs. So let's do it. So here you can see that our hair is about to be complete. Now it's done. And now here I'm using 2B pencil, the same we were using that again. I'm using this here for mouth. I'm using the same pencil 2B for shading in the mouth. Now the shading is complete, and I'm adding a little bit extra details in the hair and a smile line. So now the drawing is complete, but now here I'm going to add a little bit more shading to make it. I'm here shading in the mouth for make it darker. As you can see in the video, the mouth shading and the eye one is completed. And now here I'm shading in the eyes, ears, and at the chin, and there at the neck side I have shading, so make it a little bit realistic, but we are not making it ultra realistic, so leave it like this. Here I am now shading below the neck around the jawline. So now here you can see the shading is gonna be smooth. If you can't do the smooth shading with just pencil, you can use also brush to make it smoother. So now the drawing is complete. If you like the video, then subscribe for more anime drawings further and for also simple steps. So now keep watching.